Brian, you can have all the Walmart orders. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we got some news about Doordash and Walmart and a bit of issues that Walmart is having with Doordash drivers not wanting to quite deliver their orders that come from there. And me being one of those people that's publicly broadcasted how bad Walmart orders are and told people to probably skip them. I feel like this article is something that I should probably cover now that we have a little bit more clarity. So today's article is actually coming from my friend David, who's in the Rich Driver, Poor Driver Facebook group. If you guys haven't yet, go check out our Facebook group. And also in the future, if you guys have any cool, interesting articles like this that you'd want me to talk about, send them over to me on Facebook, or also join the Rich Driver, Poor Driver Facebook group, and then we can just chat there. So the article is titled, Low Tips, Long Waits, DoorDash Takes on Drivers, Walmart Gripes. So basically what happened is DoorDash signed an exclusive deal with Walmart, allowing DoorDash to deliver all of the Walmart orders. And what's happened is after basically the drivers realized how crappy Walmart orders are, because it kind of doesn't make sense when you're making the same amount to do a Walmart order where you have to pack your car full of all kinds of groceries. Why would you accept an order from there when you could just get a restaurant and essentially make the exact same amount of money and just put it in your passenger seat? And usually it's not more than like 2 bags. So that's the main problem. My problem with a Walmart order is one time I took a Walmart order and it was a store owner who decided to pack or basically redo all of their inventory inside of their liquor store. And I showed up in my Ford Focus ST and they were like, I don't know if this is gonna fit in your car. And I was looking, I was like, why wouldn't it fit? They're like, oh, well, there's 2 more crates full of it. And I was like, what is going on? How could you guys give me that much order? Like that much of an order? And I was like, okay. So I was like, well, let's try to do it, because I've been sitting here for like 30 minutes already waiting for you guys to come out with the order. So let's at least try to pack it in, because I will figure out a way for this order to finish, because I've already been sitting here for about 30 minutes, you know. So they come out, they have like 3 crates full of it, and basically it wasn't in this car could easily fit it, I'm sure, but the Ford Focus was literally packed, all of the trunk, all of the back seat, and even in the front seat, full of frozen vegetables, frozen dinners, chips, water, like everything that a liquor store would have. And they basically were just filling their inventory in the store. So I got there and the person who was making the order was the store owner, who wasn't even there. So you can imagine that they didn't really feel bad about not giving me a tip after this. So I did an entire store packing for, I think it was like $7 or something like that. And I didn't even get a tip. I helped them. I had to unpack the entire thing, and I was like, okay, after this moment, I'm never taking a Walmart order ever again. And what happened, so let's just read through the article. So it starts off, third-party delivery firm DoorDash Inc. is taking steps to address what it says as frustrations from independent drivers toting Walmart Inc. merchandise in grocery stores orders, including low customer tips, the company confirmed to Reuters. Reuters is the publisher from this article, by the way. The world's largest retailer in recent years has bolstered its partnerships with the same-day third-party courier firms, including DoorDash, to reach customers in and around stores. So basically this all occurred and became a big problem after Walmart ended its initiatives with Uber Technologies, which if you guys don't know, Uber owns Postmates now. So basically once it ended its initiatives with Uber, it just became DoorDash as the main place that it had doing, or the main company doing all of the Walmart orders. And it also has been struggling with having its own employees do it as well. On February 26th, DoorDash surveyed more than 1 million independent drivers, asking them to share experiences about deliveries. And then basically the feedback they got back, to make this short, is Walmart orders suck really bad. Like no one's gonna do it. And basically for overwhelming surveys, everyone said they don't want to do Walmart orders anymore. It's basically, I mean, it doesn't really make sense. Why would you do a Walmart order for the same price as like doing a normal like delivery from a restaurant. Doesn't really make sense. That's why I haven't even taken a Walmart order in over a year, because of the last experience I had there. DoorDash's response after the feedback they received was, make Walmart orders better. We got it. So the Walmart Plus subscription program costs $98 a year, and it actually gets you unlimited deliveries from the Walmart app and grocery store. The Walmart CEO, Doug McMillon, basically said logistics and delivery will continue to be a bit of a pain point for Walmart because they view it as a place where they could potentially cut costs. Walmart trying to cut costs? Who would have seen that one coming? Partnering with Walmart has helped DoorDash take a market share from rivals including Grubhub and tap into new pockets of demand for delivery in suburban areas where many Walmart stores are located. So basically, part of DoorDash being able to really monopolize on the delivery industry, as it has, now taking up more than 50% of all orders that come in, a large part of it is probably due to Walmart orders. Then right here they cite an example of this girl named Kat, who's 53 years old, who normally does delivery driving from DoorDash, and stated one time she had to do hauling back and forth 13 times, carrying 30-pound bags of soil from her car to a customer. DoorDash paid her $4 for the delivery, and the customer did not tip. Now, can you imagine that? Now, I gotta say, like, for example, if you're taking an order for $4 from Walmart, man, you probably should have seen that one coming, but like, Jesus, because I don't even take deliveries at all for $4. She might have been new, okay? So when I got the order, it was $7, and I was like, oh, no big deal, like, that's not a big deal. And this was one of my first time doing Walmart deliveries. So I was like, kind of just doing it to see like what would happen, and then I got stuck basically restocking someone's entire inventory of their liquor store. Personally, I don't think that liquor stores or any kind of stores or anyone there should be a cap on this. Otherwise, they should take into consider how much weight that you're getting delivered and have to tip based on that percentage. Really, that's, I think, the best way to put it. Like, you should have to have a guaranteed tip based on how many pounds of food or groceries that you're delivering. I think that's the best way to solve this, because otherwise, when you're delivering people's stuff and it's like multiple loads back and forth, like, that's a huge problem, and that's just people taking advantage of the system. So it says right here, until last fall, Walmart's app, which takes customers' delivery orders, did not allow shoppers to include tips up front. Now that's a huge thing, because people, like, we know we don't really take orders that don't have tips up front. Otherwise, you're going to be in for a bad time. Instacart app, a third-party service that handles groceries from Kroger and other grocers, includes a pre-delivery tip of $2. So basically they have to tip at least $2. And Amazon Fresh includes a $7 tip. Customers can then change the amount, so they can add on more if they want to. Really, if you're asking for someone to deliver your groceries, you better tip. Like, the fact that it's only $7, grocery stores, okay, anytime I see any sort of store and I'm doing delivery, I don't even consider it, because I do not want to go grocery shopping, especially when it's like places like Walmart or CVS where you have to walk around and like go and pick it up. It just takes so much longer, so those orders better be worth a lot more if you want me going grocery shopping for your stuff. Especially when it's a new store that you've never been into, like, you have to figure out where the aisles are and all that stuff. It's not as easy as it seems. Like, sure, people might think like, oh, you're just going and picking up a few items for them. It's like, you have to be very specific on the sizes and like what they want. Maybe it's like chocolates with almonds, or maybe it's like chocolates with peanuts or something. Like, and a lot of times they don't have the items too. So then it goes on to say that basically Walmart and DoorDash did not want to publicly discuss any of the numbers that they're using. So basically they didn't want to tell us how much they're paying for certain things. Of course they didn't. Walmart basically went from 63,000 people doing these in-store deliveries, or basically the people who go around and do the shopping, 63,000 in November 2019, and now have 170,000. So they almost tripled the amount of people, so that way they can speed up the orders, because really it was a huge problem when people were going. I can't even imagine like having to be someone who shops all day. I guess you'd probably get pretty good at it, but that seems like, oh, here's an order, oh, I gotta go shopping, walk around the store. That's like a lot of, maybe they can have hoverboards or something like that. I would have a hoverboard. Oh, now this is really interesting. Walmart is adding a small robot staffed warehouses to dozens of its stores to help fill orders faster, the company said in January. I wonder how a robot's gonna help this, you know? Are the robots gonna go shopping? Then we have a quick little segment that says DoorDash driver Brian Kavanaugh, 48, says he's happy to take all orders, including Walmart's, when he delivering outside of Cleveland. After one recent order, the customer tipped him $40. Oh, thanks, Brian. That's not... people. I feel like most people, especially the ones that watch this channel, are not happy to take all orders. Like, this must be a top dasher. If I see a Walmart order, I immediately, within seconds, take it that I'm pushing that button to accept. I think I read that all screwed up. But basically, he says he accepts all Walmart orders. Brian, you can have all the Walmart orders. But that basically concludes that article. And I feel for Walmart because they signed this exclusive deal with DoorDash, and then they find out, well, DoorDash drivers are a little bit, I mean, there's this group called Decline Now, and they just decline everything. So DoorDash has its own like inside problems that's going on right now. And I feel like, yeah, anytime you're pitching under $5, even $6 really, for a delivery order, especially with gas prices rising, I mean, you guys got, I feel like what's happening is we have DoorDash and Walmart trying to figure out what percentages so they can all profit and stuff, but they're not really thinking about the drivers enough. And I feel like this kind of like really put it on blast for them when they realized, oh, drivers don't want to take Walmart orders. And I have a video that is doing pretty well, and it's about Walmart orders sucking so bad, and all of the comments on there are never take Walmart orders. So I feel for you guys, and like, I'm on the same page. Anytime I see a Walmart delivery, I don't know, maybe it's gotten better. This article just came out like 2 days ago. So maybe, just maybe they'll fix it. Let me know in the comments down below. Guys, comment down below, how much would you need to get paid to do a Walmart delivery order? For me, I would say $18 because of how much walking back and forth, and I know there's the potential for it being like a humongous order because I've dealt with those before. Personally, I stay away from Walmart at all costs. I do not go to Walmart to shop. I never go to Walmart. I just don't like it there. I just feel like I would rather go, even though Target's a little bit more expensive, I just like the vibe in Target a lot more. And I don't know, Walmart just seems like the cheap place, and they're just known for being the cheapest and everything. And it really shows in a lot of places. Now, granted, there are some nice Walmarts out there, but I don't know, I just prefer to go to like Target or something. There's just something about like, I don't know if it's like the smell of Walmart, because they do have this like specific smell in Walmarts, and they do have this specific smell in Targets. I don't know if you guys have ever noticed that before, but I did the other day when I went from a Walmart straight into a Target and I was looking for something. I was like, these places have this distinct smell in all of them, and I wonder what it comes from. Anyways, guys, if you guys have any comments, let me know down below what you guys think of this stuff. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Also, if you guys haven't yet, please consider liking this video because it greatly helps out my channel, and subscribe for more DoorDash related content, business, fitness, entrepreneur stuff, all kinds of stuff coming for you guys in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.